Hello, trading is closed on June 16, 2014. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's talk about the market. Over the weekend, I said there was a mejt target of 1928.93. It's most likely to print by Tuesday morning. In the futures market, we hit a low of 1919. That's equivalent to 1927.25 cash. 1927.25. Don't do this to me. Is awfully close to the target. It certainly is enough to satisfy it in the futures market, but the rules say the target has to be satisfied during regular trading hours. So this target remains alive. Whether or not it will print in its referred time frame tomorrow is something we'll discuss later. There was a target of 1941 plus from June 12th. We topped at 1941.15, hitting the target practically on the nose. The direct hit usually leads to a big move in the other direction, and the 10-point drop fits the bill. When the target was hit, the software identified it with a big red dot. It said the move was a false move and it would lead to a retracement, which it did. It said that the drop was also a false move and it would retrace up to this thick yellow line, which it did, right on the nose. In the afternoon, the market had a rally. mejt said it was a false move. It called for a retracement down to the thick lines, which we got. It said this drop was a false move and that we would retrace back up to the thick lines, which we did. All today's targets were hit practically on the nose, even though the system does not require it. We still have a 1928.93 target, which the system says is most likely to print tomorrow. But let's not forget there is still a 1946.01 target that the system also wants to see print. The lower target has already been satisfied in futures. It's possible we're going to see this higher target first. How do we know? Well, today we had a series of highs and couldn't hold on to any of them at the close. All these highs are over these highs. We just couldn't hold on to them. If we're going to hit the 1946 plus target first, I think it's more likely than not that this failure to hit new highs will be rectified by taking out today's high quickly, ideally by gapping over it. And if we don't, I think that 1928.93 target remains in play. So I think the open tomorrow could give us a clue as to which of those two targets prints first, and that's today's call.